Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to connect a LinkedIn personal account. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to connect a LinkedIn personal account, we have to go over here, Manage Social Profiles. So let's click on it. Then we have to go over here and click on this button, Add a new social media profile. From this drop-down, we are going to choose LinkedIn Person. Then we are redirected to a LinkedIn page. We can see that the Squirrly Social would like to access this information over here. We can see our LinkedIn account over here. In case this is not the right account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, you can either click over here, Not You, or click over here on Cancel, then go to LinkedIn and log in to the account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social. In case this is the account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, all that is left to do is click over here on Allow. And then we received a successful message. LinkedIn was successfully connected as a social profile. We can see our profile image over here, the profile name. If we click on the profile name, we are taken to the profile, to the LinkedIn profile. We can see the profile type, which is a LinkedIn person. We can see who added this account. We can reconnect the account or we can delete the account. So this is how you can connect a LinkedIn personal account to Squirrly Social. Until next time.